Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the roller in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, a 5/32 punch, a wooden plug, and a hammer. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new roller. There are two identical rollers used in this refrigerator. Each of them is mounted on the door auto-close lever. The rollers, as part of the auto-close levers, assure the complete closing of the door. If one of the French doors won't close properly and stay tightly closed, check and replace the roller. To fix the problem, we need to open the door that gives you the trouble. Right now, we're going to climb up on the top here at the door hinge, and this is the part that door auto closure lever. I'm going to take out this single Phillips screw using a Phillips screwdriver, and then I'm going to see if it will come off by itself. If not, then we need to pry it up with the flathead screwdriver. Okay, I'm going to bring up on the top here that all necessary tools, which is a little wooden block, a pair of pliers, hammer, and a pin punch. This is 5/32 of an inch. It will fit perfectly into the hole. So we're going to place the lever on the pliers, place the punch here into the hole, and I'm going to hammer this pin out. Now I'm going to remove the punch and remove the roller. This is the old roller next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I'm back here on the rooftop of the refrigerator world. This is a new roller. I'm going to insert it, and I'm going to place the pin on the top. Push it in, and then we're going to hammer it in. Good enough. Now we're going to install this back. I'm going to place that door auto closer on. Push it down, and I'm going to secure it with the Phillips screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Now we can close the door, plug the fridge back in, and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.